Did you know you can create custom frames in Canva from any photo? And it's actually super easy to do. We'll open up a blank canvas and add a photo that we want to use. I would like to use this couple as a frame, so first thing I'm going to do is remove the background. Under apps, you can search for frame and find the app called FrameSpark. It will automatically prompt you to select an image with a transparent background, and you can also adjust the edge detection to create your frame. Click Convert to Frame, and you'll see your new custom frame appear directly on your canvas. Now you can search for any photo and just drag and drop it into the custom frame. Here you can see our custom frame versus our original photo side by side. And what's great about this app is you can also convert any Canva graphic into a custom frame, not just photos. I hope this was clear and easy to follow, but if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments.
And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I'm the brand and web designer behind Studio Bressi. And on this channel, I share easy to follow design tips alongside with Squarespace and Canva tutorials to help you feel more confident and creative as you bring your designs to life. Thank you for watching and happy creating!